Hey Rhonda, how you doing? My name's George and I'm on Underdog Leads. So today I kind of just want to give you this free plan of attack that I think can really help out your business. So a little bit about me. I'm the founder of Underdog Leads. I still like to get in there and actually help people out. I like to work side by side with a lot of my clients. But today I really just want to give you this free plan of attack to maybe help you get a little bit more clientele. So check this out. So as far as SEO goes, you don't have much to worry about, to be honest with you. So you're number 2 for this keyword, commercial construction companies in Houston. That gets a pretty good search volume. Commercial construction companies in Houston, Texas, a little less, but you're still number 2, which isn't really a big deal. So the thing that I recommend, so what I'm going to recommend to you is going to be, we're going to optimize your GMB. Now, so I'm here in San Antonio. I'm not sure if Jude told you that, but here in San Antonio, when I search for these things, you pop up number 1 for this keyword, and number 2 for this keyword in the map pack, which is the top 3. So about 90% of the people that are going to be searching for this specific term, 90% of that traffic is going to go to on page 1, or the overall page each time. And then about 60 to 70% is going to go to the map pack, which is this 3 right here. So it may look good right here, but I have this tool that actually shows you the position you are for that keyword in various parts of the city. Because I'm sure you understand that in the map, your map listing is sort of like a sonar. So the closer you are, the stronger it is. Now, you guys have some good presence, but that's not the case over the entire city. So if you check this out, I have your map link right here. This is the heat map I was talking about, and I'm going to send you a link so you can actually look at this yourself because it's interactive. You can click on each individual GPS location, and it'll show you who's actually number 1 or who's actually number 2, or you can see how your competition's beating you in those areas. So immediately around you, you can tell. So this is kind of where your pin's at. Immediately around you, you got some 1s, some 2s, but what I recommend fixing is going to be the areas surrounding that. Now, as a commercial construction company, I'm sure you guys go a little bit further out than just Houston. So let's kind of zoom in a little bit. So if you're here kind of midtown, downtown area, you're good, but when you start coming over here, if you start coming a little bit east, you see kind of your rankings get diluted a little bit. Same thing north, this side of Houston. You know, you kind of get what I'm getting at. So that's one thing I'm going to recommend is that if you're interested, we could actually get you effectively in the map pack in all areas of this town. So no matter where someone's looking, you'll still pop up in the map pack and you're more likely to get the traffic. Like I said, about 60 to 70% is going to go to that map pack, so that's definitely something you're going to want. Another thing I'm going to recommend is, so looking at this, Gilbane, you got some pretty good reviews, but you only have 12. So if you need help with this, I recommend you have at least 30, because the more people that are going to actually review it, the more trust everybody else is going to have for you. And at the same time, you want to make sure you have good reviews. So if you want assistance with this, I can help you. I have a reputation management tool, which works as a funnel. So every time, actually we'll automate it to where we'll send out review requests. And every time someone is going to give you a review, it's going to go into our funnel. And we capture it there. And so they're going to get the option to give you a review, 1 to 5 stars, and it can go on Google, Yelp, Facebook, a bunch of other things. But so either way, they're going to give you that rating, and if it's 4 stars or less, it's going to get saved internally. It's going to get saved as feedback. So if for any reason you're not getting a good rating, it'll get saved as feedback. I can relay that message to you, like, hey, this client is not satisfied, this is what happened. But at the end of the day, it's only going to be internally, and you're not going to have to deal with the whole, the whole city looking at it. So that's That's one of my favorite things. And if it is a 5-star review, then it will actually go to whatever platform you want, whether it be Google or Facebook. But that's all I have for you today. I'm going to send you that link, like I said. It's going to be attached to the bottom of this email. So, yeah. All right. Have a good day, Rhonda.